Good evening. Last week brought us the challenges of some very strong winds. There were some spells of heavy rain at times too, and we spent a lot of our time talking about low pressure. The most notable change for the week ahead, much lighter winds, and we're going to be looking a lot at high pressure and how that will build across the UK. Building up from the southwest, it's not an entirely straightforward story. We will see the remnants of other weather systems running through to the north of our area of high pressure, for example, in the next 24 hours. Still some showers on the tail end of one system to clear away from England and Wales as we head into the small hours. Clear skies across northern England and Scotland will allow a frost to develop in places for first thing Monday. Elsewhere, lows of 4 to 7. Cloud already getting in to Northern Ireland by the morning. This is a weak warm front. We will see a little bit of light rain out of that, I think, across Northern Ireland, and gradually cloud becoming more widespread across the western side of the UK come the afternoon. Should stay sunny in the east until the evening. Our temperatures peaking at 13 in the southeast, about average or slightly above for the time of year. The high still to the south as we head overnight Monday into Tuesday. The warm weather front drifts eastwards. A cold weather front slides in behind it. Don't be too put off by the name though. The air coming in to the north of it, not especially cold because it's actually tracked in from the Atlantic. What we essentially will have is cloud and rain first thing on Tuesday for England and Wales, brighter as the day goes on, and in some spots temperatures could get up to 14 degrees through the afternoon. That system pulls away eastwards overnight Tuesday into Wednesday with clear skies across particularly the northern half of the UK. We could see a patchy frost first thing on Wednesday. Wednesday offers up a lot of fine weather across the board. Perhaps a little cloud lingering in the east, perhaps a little bit more cloud just drifting into the far north, affecting Scotland, I think, with maybe the odd shower here come Wednesday afternoon. Temperatures still on the healthy side, 11 to 13 degrees. Now here's the high as promised for Wednesday. But notice to the east, this little area of low pressure running out of Scandinavia. That could have a significant effect on our weather because as that low squeezes up against our high, we could pick up a northerly wind. And as we do so, we'll start to drag in colder Arctic air, that milder air getting squashed away to the west of us. And with that airstream, we may well feed in a lot more cloud as well, maybe even some showery rain at times. But the biggest change will be to the way things feel. The wind not as strong as it has been in the last week, but it will be notable just because it will be much colder. You can see the temperatures come down. Don't forget you'll have to factor in the wind chill as well. And then Thursday into Friday, if anything, perhaps this little area of low pressure heading down into the continent could trigger some showers for us coming in on a northeasterly wind. The cold air by Friday reaches right the way across the UK, and that wind starts to get some quite significant strength. Not as strong, I think, as the winds we saw last week, but maybe gusting up to 45 miles per hour in some eastern exposures. We could see maybe something a little bit wintry, some hail or sleet in some showers that drift in to the southeast of England. Temperatures for Friday, well, we're scraping around for many of us in the mid-range of single figures. So there is your week ahead. As promised, in comparison to last week, we will have much lighter winds. Overall, there will be quite a lot of dry weather around. I think it'll feel quite spring-like to start, but some challenges coming with some colder weather from Thursday.